I am Ebony Caldwell with Publicity Brand PR as well as Entrepreneur Training Education. Your go to source for all things business growth, business training, business development, digital marketing, branding, and overall, if you just simply want to be successful when it comes to business. Did I also mention that I am the creator of Digital Business Made Simple? Yes, that's me. So make sure if you want to know anything about business, schedule your 101. You visit publicitybrandpr.tv to do that. But I want to talk about right now vision and goal setting. Let's talk about that right now. Vision and goal setting. They are the backbone of every single successful person and every single successful business. Think of it like this: they're the compass and they're the roadmap. They keep you on track no matter how many different directions and challenges you may be pulled in. Your compass and your roadmap is going to bring you back. You can have all the talent and all the resources in the world, but without a clear vision and solid goals, it's so easy to lose distractions. It's so easy to turn around and get redirected into the wrong direction. So your vision is your why. Why are you doing this? What's the bigger purpose here? What's the bigger purpose behind your business? Why is it that someone wants to do business with you? Why is it that a client want to call you up? Your vision is going to be what's going to inspire you. It's going to be what's going to connect you and businesses together, you and customers and clients together. Your vision is what is your purpose. Without a purpose, what do you have? You're just a business that's not making money. If you can get into business. So this is why it's important to have a vision and a goal. The goals, on the other hand, though, turns that vision into action. It turns it into a reality. Your goals is going to be your step-by-step instructions and your plans that's going to make your dreams come true. But without your goals, you're just constantly spinning your wheels, doing a whole lot of nothing, a whole lot of stuff that's not going to get you anywhere. It's not going to get you no customers. It's not going to get you no clients. It's not going to get you no followers, any of that. Your goals is going to help you stay on track. It's going to help you progress. It's going to help you celebrate your wins. Every single direction is going to keep you accountable. You need to use your roadmap for this and your vision. It's going to be a total game changer when it comes to growing your business. But when it comes to your vision and your goals and how they're going to come together, that is your recipe for success. That's when the magic happens. A powerful vision is going to give you all the magic in the world to keep your vision alive and to keep you moving forward. So you need to think about what it is that you want to do. They work hand in hand. You can't just give up because today wasn't a great day. And you'll never hear me say bad day. Today wasn't a great day. Today not been the best day, but when your vision is so crystal clear, people are going to notice. The universe is going to notice when your vision is crystal clear. So it's up to you to continue to stay positive, to stay optimistic, and to know what your goals and your dreams and your vision stand for. They are going to trust you more when you are consistently hitting your goals. And your goals is what's going to keep you growing. Your goals is going to keep you motivated. Think of it like this. Think about a time whereas you wanted to lose weight. And how they always say when the new year comes, this is 2025. This is a brand new year, right? I'm filming this video today, January 3rd, 2025. A whole new year come. Everybody wants to lose weight. That's a goal, right? And so what happens? The memberships in the gym skyrocket. The people that's making the most money right now are the gyms, whether they are personal gyms, whether they are the franchise gyms, it doesn't matter. Gyms are making money right now. Meal prep companies are making money right now. The diet companies are making money right now. But why are they making money? Because everybody have a goal and they see their vision. They see this vision of what it is and who it is they want to look like. I need you to take your business and do the same thing. Your business should not just be a New Year's resolution in January and in February. Your business vision and goals needs to be like that all year round. So when you feel like you've went 5 steps ahead and you've got that contract or you close that deal, don't you stop there. You want to keep going. Let me tell you, and I'll tell you a story that has happened consistently on so many different occasions when it have come to realtors and real estate brokers and loan officers, people that I've done business with a lot because I've been a realtor for over 20 plus years. I am the queen of business growth and success. Understand this. But I'm going to tell you what I've seen a lot of them do. They'll close a big deal. They'll get a $10,000 check, a $20,000 check, a $50,000 check. And you know what they say? I'm done. I don't have to close another deal for another 2 months. Wrong. Don't do that because you never know when that next deal is going to come. Or even if that next deal comes, it may fall apart. Or if it comes and it doesn't fall apart, it's not going to be as big as the next deal. So you should always have that business, just like those clients in real estate and in mortgages, in the pipeline. You should always keep it in the pipeline. In sales as a whole, you should always keep it in the pipeline. But if you are a business owner, understand that. I'm not singling out a particular industry at this moment. I'm singling out you as an entrepreneur, a business owner, whether you are new, inspiring, or seasoned. Always keep your vision and goals crystal clear consistently. Always use your vision and goals to consistently grow no matter what. Do not ever think that it is okay just because you feel like I've closed 5 deals this month. I've got 100 new members this month. I got 200 new students this month. You think it's okay to stop? Because guess what? Everything churns. CHURN. What does that mean? It drops off. In order for your business to stay consistent and not churn, you have to stay consistent and not churn. In order for you to stay consistent, keep that vision going. Keep your goals going. Write it down if you have to. Keep that, whether you have a vision board in your office, whether you have a vision board on your phone, or whether you have that vision in your head, it needs to stay consistent. And let me explain what I mean about having a vision board in your head, right? I don't go around looking at my phone 24/7, and I have several. I do. But I don't go around looking at my phone 24/7. It's like, oh, but I live in a very swanky area of downtown. Okay. I live in a very big house downtown. That was my vision. And I keep my vision. And when I wake up every single morning in my huge bedroom and look around at my fireplace and look outside of my house downtown, right? Guess what? I'm consistently looking at all of these other $1 million homes. I am consistently, when I drive out of my driveway, I am consistently seeing luxury cars. Now, granted, some of them are less luxury than mine, but don't ever think that every single time I'm not driving down that street, I'm not seeing a Rolls Royce Cullinan or seeing a Lamborghini or seeing a Spider Porsche. I am seeing luxury consistently. Do I have those vehicles? No. Do I have luxury vehicles? Yes. And vehicles with an S on the end, plural. I do. Two luxury vehicles that belongs to me. Understand that this is not about bragging. This is about my vision board in my head, that I like to see this every single day. I don't care if you turn around and you have a day that you cannot afford to go shopping. I don't care. But get up out that house and go to a Neiman Marcus, go to a Nordstrom's, go to a Gucci, go to wherever you want to go, where you see your vision at. Don't feel like you're less than because you cannot buy while you're inside of that store. Just know, okay, I want that. Okay, that belt costs $750. That purse costs $3,200. Them shoes cost $2,800. But let me tell you something. I don't believe in living backwards, or as I used to hear growing up, like, oh, this person drives a Bentley, but they live in a mother's basement. No, 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 no. When you're dreaming big of all of the material things that you can buy, I need you to think about how you can get them. That is the important part. How you can get them and how you're going to keep it. Because again, you can easily get all of this and be a one deal wonder, close one deal, be a 10 student wonder, get 10 students and call it a day. It's not about getting 10 students and calling it a day. It's not about getting a membership this month and growing it strictly this month, but then neglecting it and then churning it this month. And then when next month comes, you have nothing. It's not about that. It's about being consistent and persistent and giving quality and providing quality and being a turnkey business. Your business can be a turnkey business. A laundromat is not just a turnkey business. Buying a restaurant that's fully operating, that's making six figures a month, that's not the only thing that can be a turnkey business. You yourself can be a turnkey business. You yourself are turnkey. But in order for you to be turnkey, your goals need to be there. Your vision need to be there. You need to turn around and whatever your favorite vehicle is that you see yourself in, you want to get in there, you want to turn on that GPS and use that GPS as your vision for the goal to get you there. And I need you to keep that consistently. So I am going to go ahead and end this with your vision and your goals is everything. Don't stop believing, continue to believe, but faith without works is dead. So do not think that you can just keep visualizing and keep writing the goals and keep dreaming and keep praying. It's not that. Faith without work is dead. And what that basically means is you got to start working. You got to start having a crystal clear vision. You need to turn around and implement those goals. Activate those goals. Like superpowers, activate those goals. Push yourself forward. Even when it gets hard and it seems like it's just not going to work out for you. Understand it will work out for you, but it is up to you to continue to not just dream and believe, but do it. Like Nike said, just do it. Don't procrastinate, just do it. My mother always told me, if at first you don't succeed, try again. I don't care if you fail 10 times. Keep trying. Because the truth of the matter is, every single time you fail, you should get better anyway. So don't look at failure being an obstacle. Look at failure being a success. Look at failure being a training tool. If you're in a situation whereas you've had several coaches before, you don't believe in coaches, coaches didn't work for you, well, you know what? It's time for you to be wise. It's time for you to be wise because you're going to be your own coach. Every single time you fail, you should have learned from it. Don't turn around and look at that failure as a failure because it's not. Failure is the best way to success. That was my very first book I wrote, I think when I was like maybe, I don't know, 25, 20, I don't know, a long time ago. Failure is the best way to success. If at first you don't succeed, try again. I would invite you for a complimentary one-on-one with me by visiting publicitybrandpr.tv. In addition to that, you can actually just click on the link in the video and you will be able to schedule one-on-one with me. But until then, continue to watch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, join my community. I am Ebony Caldwell with Publicity Brand PR, and I am happy that I brought you something.